Every time we come here, you have to... Almost broke it. What's up, peoples? So, today, I'm going to teach you guys how to shop at Sam's Club. But I know what you're saying. Listen, Beta Cat, listen, bro. I know how to shop at Sam's Club. No, you don't. Step 1, find yourself a Sam's Club. Step 2, the app right there. It's called Sam's Club. Download it. At the bottom, down there, it says scan and go. Check out. Slide to pay. Now, this QR code list, all this stuff is now paid for. So now, I actually just get to walk out of the store. She's actually gonna scan the QR code on my phone and the stuff in the basket. And there we are. That's how you shop at Sam's Club. And remember, we out here. Out here. You just learned exactly how to shop at Sam's Club. No need to stand in the line when you're in Sam's Club. No reason whatsoever.